Hello there, and welcome to today's video as I, well, sit on something I should not have sat on. But I am very pleased to announce that I'm officially launching Discord. I don't know why it's taken me this long to get round to. I think it's more than just the fact that I want to actually use this as a way for us to communicate a little bit better. And now I have an editor, it means I actually have a little bit more time to do everything else. And the last thing I wanted to do was launch a Discord, which is linked down in the description below, and then it sort of just sits there and it's just another one of those annoying things that sometimes you get messages and you're like, who is this guy? Centric? Tech Chap? It's actually been such a long time since Tech Chap has been on the channel. The joke probably doesn't work anymore. You're like, Tech Chap? We used to be like arch rivals all those years ago. I was actually bigger than him, I'll tell you. He approached me when he had 8,000 subs and said, us Brits need to stick together. Now look at him. He's off in Somerset, currently doing up a shed or something. But anyway, that's very off topic. I'm really pleased to be doing this because it is going to give us an extra channel of communication. And I've got loads of things like merch that I'm wanting to launch a little bit later. Remember the mouse mats that I mentioned earlier in the year? There's loads of merch coming, so I'd love to get your feedback on that. It might not be very quick, but this is sort of the point. I want to get the feedback on it and I want to do it properly. So if you're in the Discord, you can advise me on all of that stuff. Tell me what you like and obviously what you don't. There'll be behind the scenes clips that don't make it into the videos because they're too rude for YouTube. I'm a very PC channel. You'll get to see all of the outtakes. You'll get to see all of the outtakes. See what I did there? And hopefully at some point we can actually play some games. If you're a Formula 1 fan, then it would be great to get like a 20-player race going, although I'm afraid I'm not very well behaved in that sort of thing. We will work out a way of making this happen. Maybe we can start doing some live streaming of this as well. There are big plans, but it all stems just from joining this Discord. So please do. The link is down below. If you still want to enter the giveaway, by the way, for the Be Quiet used PC builds that I did with Andy, that was a brilliant video, by the way. Find it in the top right corner of your screen. That is still over on my Instagram. It's at PCcentric. Find the latest post, I think, and then all of the details are there. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please join the Discord. I will see you there.